what's up, fam? Okay, so I just now finished my protein treatment video, and this is the results of the protein treatment I used. I will link it up below. My hair looks way better, way more moisturized. I feel like it did a good job and everything, but now I have to go shampoo and deep condition my hair. So let's go do that right now. But if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and smash the button down below. I'm not even gonna talk too much. I just want to get in the shower, wash my hair, and then move on. Okay, so for this video, we are using all Mish Beauty products. We're using the shampoo, the strengthened protein deep conditioner, and also the hair and scalp oil. Now this shampoo is really good at cleansing your scalp without making it feel stripped or anything like that, because y'all know I do not like for my hair to feel stripped. Like, I mean, I don't mind, but if I can get the moisturizing without having to feel stripped and also the cleanliness, then that's what I'm going to go for. And this shampoo is really good at that. So I apply it to my scalp first and then massage it on in and bring it down to the rest of my hair. And this has a really good lather. Like, this shampoo is really good. I really like it a lot. I do not need a lot of it at all. I like to shampoo my hair in 4 sections to make sure that I get everything. Sometimes I shampoo in 2 sections, but if I feel like it's really dirty or I want to get some stuff out, then I'll shampoo in 4. And since I had that protein mask in, I wanted to make sure that I got all the ingredients out of my hair before moving on to the next step in my wash day. So I went ahead and washed that section and rinsed it out with some warm water, of course. And then after doing this step, I just make sure that my hair is fully detangled as much as possible by finger detangling. And you guys can see that this shampoo really did leave me with some nice defined results. So I'm using a Mish protein deep conditioner. There's 2. There's a protein one, then there's a different one. But I'm using the protein one because I want to most definitely get as much protein as possible for this wash day. Because if y'all watched my previous video, I felt like that was my main problem, was my hair did not have enough protein. So I wanted to get a really good protein deep conditioner that I knew would leave my hair extremely moisturized. And I've used these products about 4 other times prior to this video because I really wanted to test it out before I go ahead and give you guys a review. I wanted to make sure that I had used it a good amount of times. So I went ahead and sealed all that in with oil. I apply oil with my deep conditioners every now and then, not every single time or anything. But I went ahead, put some oil up in that thing here, and then moved on to the next section and repeated those exact same steps. Look at these curls, y'all. After that mask and this wash day so far with these products, the curls are back, y'all. Okay, they are back. They're looking healthy, looking moisturized. Oh my gosh, y'all understand? I thought I was gonna have to, I don't know what, but my hair is looking nice, y'all. It's looking moisturized, defined, curly. Girl, I was so happy to see the results. So then I'm going to go ahead and just pin that up and clip it. And what I'm going to do is sit underneath the dryer for 30 minutes to an hour. I think I did like 30 minutes. And then we're going to come back and look at these results after I've sat underneath the dryer. So this is what my hair is looking like after I sat underneath that dryer and allowed that heat to penetrate and everything. So y'all, my hair is looking so good. Like, look how, oof, it just looks so good. I was so happy to get these results. I absolutely love these Mish Beauty products because they really do a great job with leaving my hair moisturized and just give me what I need when I need it. So like that shampoo was great with making sure my hair was clean. Then that conditioner gave me the protein that I needed to get my curls right back in check as a final step to this entire mask / wash day. So I most definitely do recommend these products. I love them for sure. So let me know if you've tried these ever or want to try them, and let me know what you think about these results in the comment section down below. And also don't forget to watch the previous video. I'm going to leave it linked at the end of this video as well. But thank you for supporting so much, fam, and I'm going to see y'all in my next video.